Great value, little automatic Ford Fusion Style Plus. Finished in this beautiful Vision Blue Metallic. Just one lady owner from new. A very nice, clean, tidy example. 1.4 engine. Very lively little engine. Not many little automatics about, and we've got a great pleasure in getting this off the last owner. Let's show you around. Nice size boot on it, nice and clean, not been abused anyway. Split folding rear seats. Normally these cars don't have a spare wheel, but this one does have a full size spare wheel. Virtually brand new. Very straight on the bodywork, very tidy all the way around. It is a January 2010 on a 59 plate. So for its age, it is absolutely beautiful all the way around. It's got the plastic trims on it. A couple of little marks, but nothing major whatsoever on those. Genuine Ford ones. It's also got matching Uniroyal tyres all the way around, and they are almost brand new, all of them identical on that. Lovely all the way around, it really is. Nice and clean on the inside. Non-smoker's car. No horrible smells in here. All the upholstery and all the trims, very nice and clean. Electric front windows, electric mirrors, again all the trims. Driver's seat, all in great condition. This was also got heated front windscreen, which was an option when it was new. Great stereo on it. Air conditioning. Of course, the automatic gearbox, you can just put it in drive or slide across there and you can change it like a manual on there. Mileage of just 61,715, that's what it's done, 61,715. Multifunction steering wheel. Great little car. 8 service stamps in the book. So there we have it. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. These little automatics don't hang about very long, so if you want this one, just give me a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our Raving Fans review and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. The phone number to reserve this car is 01782 822 700.